Hi guys, it's Jen with Jen's Music Studio. So last time we created some PNG flashcards in Google Slides. If you weren't there for that video, just click on the link below. But today I'm going to show you how to import those flashcards into Kahoot to create a Kahoot game. So we're going to go to kahoot.com. And if you haven't signed up already, you can click sign up, but I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in right here. Now there is a free version of Kahoot. That's the version that I currently use with my students. We're just going to go right here to create. And create a new Kahoot. Here we go, create. Alright, so with the free version for Kahoot, you're allowed to import images for your questions, but if you do want to import images for your answers, you do need to upgrade to one of the paid version of Kahoot. But we do get to do this in the free version. So we'll upload our images. There we go. Oh, computer's being a little slow today. It's okay. All right, here we go. Let's do, and maybe we'll go back and forth between treble clef and bass clef. So let's do this one. All right. So we're going to type our question at the top here, and we'll do the same question for all of these. So name the interval. And since we're doing the same question for all of them, what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm just going to copy this. Control C, and that way we can just paste it every time. All right, so this one, name the interval. So I'm going to say major fifth. Let's say minor fifth. Perfect fifth. And let's say perfect, let's say, please, let's say a fourth, just in case somebody miscounted. Now these circles here that are bouncing, they want you to click in whichever circle is the correct answer. So this one is a perfect fifth, so I'm going to click there. Awesome. All right, so that is question number one. And I'm going to keep adding a question. They have a whole bunch of different types of questions. The only two that come with a free version are a quiz and true or false. All of these that have that little crown icon are for the premium version of Kahoot. So I'm going to do a quiz for all of mine. Now I copied, so I can just paste my answer. Just click here for upload image. So we did a treble clef 1. Let's do a bass clef 7 right here. All right, let's see. Let's do major sixth. Do minor sixth. Let's do a perfect fifth, and let's do major seventh. All right, and this is a major sixth, so I'm going to click here. Now there are 4 options. You don't have to use all 4. You can use 1, 2, or 3 if you don't want to use all 4, but I like to use all 4 sometimes. All right, and we're just going to keep going to add all of our questions until we've got, I think I've got 11 for this quiz. All right, and then for our question, just paste. All right, let's put it here this time. Perfect octave, and how about major octave? All right, and this is a minor seventh. Here we go. And we just keep adding questions and adding images until we've got all of them done. I don't know if we can click 2 right answers. I haven't tried this before. Oh yes, we can. All right. There we go. So now we have 2 correct answers for this one. We'll try and throw everybody off a little bit here with 2 correct answers. Go. All right. I think I'm done. We'll keep it at 8 questions. Now you click done. It's gonna verify everything, but we'll give our title, we'll say name, the interval. And then the major, minor, or perfect. So this is where it'll check if there's any errors. So if you missed adding the question title, or if you didn't select this right answer, it would tell you right there. Now you can have the option to test it, play it now, or share it with others. I'm going to click done. Now it's going to save it in my bank of Kahoots. And when you're ready to play this with your students, you click play, host, and it takes a little while to load. We're going to do classic mode. Now for this one, if you're screen sharing on a platform like Zoom, what happens is your students will need one device to look at your screen where your questions will be, and then they'll need a second device to plug in their answers. So often my students will have a laptop for Zoom with a video call where I'll screen share on Kahoot, and then they'll use their mobile phone or a tablet. Alternately, if your students know how to split screen, you can split screen where you can have the video call in half the screen, and then they can log into kahoot.it to play the game. And for your students to join in, all they have to do on their device is type in www.kahoot.it into their browser, and then it'll ask for this game pin. And then once they load in, their names will pop up here, and then you click start. All right, well, I hope that was helpful. I hope you guys enjoy some nice Kahoots with your students. All right, thanks, bye.